Good morning, guys. We are sitting at the institute. My name is Raz, and we are going to start group discussion. This is 7 to 9 batch, and they guys have completed only 1 month in American. They are going to start group discussion. Our topic is smart work versus hard work, right? So there are I think 7 to 8 students are sitting over here, and these guys are supporting a smart work, and these are going to support hard work, right? You are supporting, okay? So guys, we are going to start from this side. You guys are supporting a smart work, right? So what do you think about what is a smart work? First of all, you have to tell your name. After that, you have to define that what is a smart work. Then they guys will speak about it. Okay? Shall we start now? So first of all, we are going to Dhruv. Yes, Dhruv, according to you, what is a smart work? Please define.
Thank you, sir, for this golden opportunity to speak on smart work and the today's topic. My name is Dhruv Patel, and I'm going to tell you what is the smart work. Smart work is the process of a work who can make your work easy by your working process, not working so not making working much hard in that work. That is called smart work. Who makes your work so easy and save your time. In my views, that is the smart work kind of. So this is my view, sir, on smart work.
So he explained well. It was a short performance, but he spoke well actually. So according to you guys, what do you think about hard work? He is saying that we have to save our time. If you are going to any work with the less time, that is the smart work according to him. So you guys, what do you think about the hard work? So he's going to define. Okay, Ayush, what do you think about what is hard work?
If the person is doing a hard work, actually to me, I'm saying that the hard work, India is the country where the unemployment is in a huge number of people. The youth are suffering from unemployment. If we are doing a smart work, then a lot of people are unemployed less. That's why if I'm taking the hard work, the people are getting their jobs from many of sectors. If we do a smart work, if you let's take AI, the people's if who launch their AI in their systems, the lot of peoples are get fired from their jobs. But how they survive in their life? There are none of other options to live there. They spend a lot of money to taking their degrees to and that's why you hired for some time and then you fired him because of AI. That's why I'm not supporting smart work, and I am supporting hard work. If the people are doing hard work, you can say that you are being to scold him. They are not any chances to be like to spoil the work. A smart work can spoil the work also when you are not ignoring him. If the peoples have their own mind, they didn't spoil the work. If the smart work, just like AI can spoil the work as you give you a wrong statement to him. That's my opinion on this hard work.
Actually, I'm partially agree with you. You spoke well actually about the hard work. So we are going to smart work, yes. So what do you think about Ayush? He spoke well about hard work. If you are supporting, so speak about it and tell about why smart work can be better than hard work. So yeah, I'm going to Mr. Sachin. Yeah, Sachin, what do you think about?
Good morning, sir, and good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
My name is Sachin Yadav. I think smart work is good work, and smart work is saved time, and hard work is not saved time. But I am possibly agree with Ayush. Okay, sir.
So he's also saying that the same things which Dhruv has spoken. He's saying that we have to save our time in the smart work. So I'm going to take an example about it. Suppose a person who's just speaking in the class, right? And there are 100 students over there. He is speaking well. His pronunciation, is very good, and he is speaking loudly. The people, those who are sitting backside, they are not listening carefully. He is doing hard work there, and not too much hard work. But the problem is that the people, they are not getting him. So according to me, someone is speaking there, but he is not using such a things which can be the part of electric, like, right, like a mic. So how he can let them understand about it? Someone gave him mic, then he started speaking, and after that people, they were clapping on him. Why? Because he got the mic. So how we can convert hard work to the smart work? It is up to you. Okay. Now we are going to Anjali. Yes, she has completed also 15 days in American. She is going to speak about hard work. So let's start. Yes, ma'am. Please.
Thank you, sir, for giving this opportunity. Sir, hard work is not processed easily, and but it is sure about you achieve the any goal for this hard work. So I can feel that hard work is the most powerful thing in your life, because you do the hard work, then you can achieve any goal, any situation for us.
You guys are giving, actually, that's good examples. That's very nice. But why you're not speaking so like lengthy? Actually, the people, they can understand. You are speaking only 20 seconds or the 30 seconds. To increase your like value, and increase your volume, and as well as increase your knowledge about the hard work and smart work. So we are going to Jad, because he's supporting a smart work. So Jad, according to you, what do you think about? We are doing a smart work with the hard work. According to you, what do you think? Yeah, please.
Hello, sir. My views on smart work. There is a chance. There is a less chance to do the work with smart work, and it can spoil your work, but also it can save your time. So we can go through it, and that's it.
Yeah, okay. Okay, please.
Actually, a friend of mine named Ayush recently talked about that AI. That AI can destroy anything if you give them wrong input. So I wanna ask him that giving him wrong input is on you. There is much things who can be better by AI. You can improve your presentation skills in AI, by the AI. You can improve your knowledge by the AI. If you are doing wrong things, then any single thing can be ruined. If you are doing wrong things in your life, this is not an AI. Your life is not an AI. It can also be ruined if you making wrong decisions, doing wrong things, having wrong habits. It also can ruin your life. But I want to say that the combination of smart work and hard work can make a boom in your life. If you are working hard and by using smart work, you can improve very fast. It can be blow your mind actually. So are you agree with me or not? Actually, I am partially agree with you, not totally, partially, because you are saying that the smart work is not for you guys, but I would like to say that smart work is a thing which can everybody implant in his life. It can make a boom in your life. If you are doing, I will talk about the studies. If you are doing study, you are a hard worker guy. You are working so hard in your studies. But if you started doing coaching classes, this is a kind of a smart work what you are doing, because you are gaining knowledge from your books, from your hard work, and you gaining extra knowledge from the coaching by doing hard work, and it make you it can show improvement in you, and that coaching was your smart work, in my views.